Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, December 12th. Quiet weather here in the east for the next few days, but the pattern really becomes stormy starting next week, and it looks like perhaps into the following week, and there's also signs of it getting progressively colder as we go through the second half of the month of December. But for the next few days, high pressure will rule. It'll be seasonably chilly and dry right into the weekend. The first storm that will affect the Mid-Atlantic region looks like it'll be on the warm side in the form of rain Saturday night and Sunday, and then a second, even stronger storm is possible by Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, and that one could involve rain or snow depending on where things set up. Right now, odds favor snow in the interior section of the Mid-Atlantic and rain near the coast. Perhaps a rain changing to snow situation, but that's still 6 or 7 days away. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. We have high pressure in control here in the east, all the way from New England down to the south central states, and it is chilly air. It's a seasonably chilly air. Not much in the way of precipitation associated with this frontal system right here, but there is quite a bit of rainfall right now at the lower elevations out in the California region, as this storm that started over the Gulf of Alaska a few days ago continues its southward plunge along the west coast. Rain along the interior, the coastal sections, and snow in the higher elevations from this particular storm that'll continue to spread rain down the coast over the next 12 to 24 hours or so. Well, here's the latest infrared satellite loop. There is a wave of low pressure here in the southeastern states. It will not spread rainfall into the Mid-Atlantic. However, there are high clouds certainly associated with this system all the way up into the southeastern part of New England. The back edge of this will be slow to retreat, but it looks like it'll move from the northwest to the southeast later on this afternoon. So there'll be some high clouds for the rest of the morning hours, and then probably increasing amounts of sunshine during the afternoon. Lots of clear skies out here in the middle part of the country, but quite a powerful storm here dropping southward along the west coast, spreading rains into central California, and then by tonight into southern California. Well, quite an interesting pattern change upcoming for the eastern part of the country. We've of course been rather warm for the month of November, the first 10 or 11 days or so. The next few days will be quiet, but the pattern becomes stormy beginning late this weekend all the way through next week and perhaps the following week, and there certainly will be some cold air masses to deal with. This is the computer forecast map from the very latest GFS, a 12Z, the current GFS model run. This is the storm number 1, let's call it, for the latter part of the weekend. This is actually a Sunday morning computer forecast map. This particular storm, the main low pressure area, certainly goes to the north and west of the Mid-Atlantic region towards the Great Lakes. There may be a secondary reflection developing later on Sunday, but this looks like mainly a rain event, if not completely a rain event, for the Mid-Atlantic Saturday night and Sunday. Now this is jumping ahead 6 days from now to next Tuesday morning from the very latest GFS model run, the 12Z model run, and this is a stronger storm. The second storm here in what will turn out to be probably a series of storms looks certainly stronger come Tuesday or maybe into Wednesday of next week, and that'll be a little bit colder. Right now it looks like it'll end up right near the Mid-Atlantic coast sometime on Tuesday night time frame. As it pulls to the north and east, it can certainly drag in some colder air from the north and west. Still a long way away. At this point, it probably favors snow inland and rain near the coast, and perhaps a rain changing to snow type of situation along the I-95 corridor. Still too early to say. It certainly appears to be a stormy pattern setting up beginning next week. Well, that's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.